Well, hello and a very happy Thanksgiving to all of you out there. Now, this is going to be a little bit different of a video. This is a challenge video. And if you know me, yes, I love cruising and I love eating, but I also love a good challenge. And your boy knows how to cook and your boy knows how to bake. So, the original JT set out a challenge for one of my favorite some may call it a potato, some may call it a vegetable, but it is in fact my favorite root vegetable, and that is a sweet potato. And we are going to bake a sweet potato pie, baby. Okay, so let me show you here what we got. Tour de kitchen, but also this is what we got. Thank you, Original JT, for pushing me outside of the cruise box here and showing you that I can make a mean sweet potato pie. So we got some half and half, a sub for milk. This isn't part of, this is not part. We have the organic half and half. We got some cane sugar, Kerrygold butter, some vanilla extract. We have our mashed sweet potatoes. You do have to bake these guys, just to let you know. We have some eggs, and I will give you my two secret ingredients, since I have been telling everybody the secret ingredient. Here is some of it right here from Trader Joe's. The seasonal secret for the sweet potato pie is the butter with brown sugar and maple syrup. You sub this for the butter. I also added a little in because I wanted a little extra for myself. So we saved a little. This was a half a cup, and we added a little bit of that. And oh my God, right there. Also, on the top, if you didn't know, a lemon on the top of your sweet potato pie. And then just a little squeeze. I'll show you guys. I'm telling you, brings out the sweet potato. All right, let's construct this thing and get it in there. Original JT, I'm coming for the crown. Does this look good? Does any of this look good? All right, let's make it a pie. Right, here's how we're gonna start the pie. We got the sweet potato mash, and we're gonna add the secret ingredient right off the bat, the butter. And we're gonna add it, and we're gonna mash until smooth, baby. Mash until smooth. Don't come at me for my masher. I don't have a masher. I thought I did. Left it at my place, apparently. All right, here we go. The secret ingredient. Mash until smooth. Ooh, yeah. All right. We'll be back after this. Yeah. Now, we got 1 cup of sugar. All right, after you've mixed that sugar in well, you have 2 eggs. You have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I've already measured it out. I mixed it in the butter dish to save some dishes. We have a half a cup of either milk, but I'm using organic half and half. All right, so that's all going in here, and we're gonna mix again. Here we go. In go the eggs. In goes the vanilla. In goes the milk. And now I beat it like Michael Jackson. Let's go. Got a beautiful pie filling. And the 2 little secret ingredients. A little tiny little pinch of salt. Little tiny pinch of lemon. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Mixed again. Oh man, look at this. Oh man. Oh my God. It smells amazing. That butter too. Oh, that butter. Alright, it's that easy. Preheat the oven to 400. We're gonna bake this bad boy about an hour. Ooh, looks beautiful. Alright, we'll see. My sweet potato pie. Right, what is sweet potato pie without marshmallow sauce, right? So we have marshmallows, we have some half and half. You could use milk. Now we're going to heat these up. You can use the microwave, or you can do it over the stovetop until they melt. Okay, these two together calls for a bag of these, so I'm cutting it in half. A half a bag. We're going to do about 4 tablespoons of organic half and half. until they melt. And then we have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and that is going to be your marshmallow sauce. Those are nice and creamy, just like that. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh my, look at that. You got that finished product. I will get everybody's taste review, but ooh, baby, sweet potato pie. Yummy. Thank you, JT. Now what I got 2 actually. One I cooked a little bit too long, but now I got 2. Oh man, delicious. Sweet potato pie, here it is. Let's give it a try. It's with the marshmallow sauce.
You made it?
I don't know. Oh my god.
He made it, and he's only having the smallest piece.
I know. Well, they know I don't like sweets, but man, that's really good.
It's really good. No.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Wait, can I get somebody else on camera saying that
It's fantastic.
Good.
he also cleaned his plate? Look, there's nothing there, right?
I'll have another.
Fantastic. We got a fantastic by grandma, by grandpa. Oh my god, look at this. It's a family favorite. It's the winner. I just think it would be the winner, but
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
it kind of has that little cinnamon toast crunch feel with the marshmallow on it. It does. Winner, sweet potato pie dinner. Thanks, JT.